Hey everyone, welcome to my unboxing video of the ZINQ Cool Slate Dual Fan Cooling Pad. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at this product and what's inside the box. As you can see, I have the box right here in front of me. Let's take a closer look. Let's start by opening the box. As you can see, the packaging is simple but effective. The box contains the cooling pad, a USB cable, and an instruction manual. Now, let's take a closer look at the cooling pad itself. The ZINQ Cool Slate Dual Fan Cooling Pad is designed to keep your laptop cool while you work or play. It's made of high-quality ABS material, which makes it sturdy and durable. The top of the cooling pad has a mesh design, which allows for maximum airflow to keep your laptop cool. The ZINQ Cool Slate Dual Fan Cooling Pad also has an adjustable height feature, which allows you to adjust the angle of the cooling pad to your liking. You can choose between for different height levels, which makes it easy to find the most comfortable and ergonomic position for your laptop. The cooling pad has two fans, which are located in the center. These fans are powered by USB and have a speed of 1,100 revolutions per minute. They're quiet and won't disturb your work or gaming session. Overall, the ZINQ Cool Slate Dual Fan Cooling Pad is a great product for anyone who wants to keep their laptop cool and comfortable while they work or play. With its sturdy design, powerful fans, and adjustable height feature, it's a great investment for anyone who uses their laptop for extended periods. If you enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, leave a comment below, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. Your support means a lot and helps me create even better videos for you in the future. Thank you.